it's gonna fall.
It's totally wet. Oh, butt scratcher.
Just crab.
Oh, what is that?
Look at Mark.
Oh, it's a squirrel.
Squirrel!
I told you.
Stop! You two are seeing squirrels that aren't
He
there.
needs to be in hibernation. Honey, you're not going
Where'd
anywhere.
my disc go? Oh, I threw it.
Oh, I almost got my phone. Oh, it did get my phone.
Yeah. What the heck is this? I think I dried it off pretty good.
Someone was down there. Who was down there?
I
Joe?
did. He crawled.
Well, I'm glad I didn't worry about drying my hair all the way.
Quick as a link.
Oh, my glove.
Here, sit down.
Thank you. I have to.
Don't move.
Okay. Look at my feet.
I'm coming for you. Hold on.
Okay. Help save me. My butt is about to fall.
I'm coming.
I'm coming.
Your butt over there.
Ow! Oh, I just jacked up my
What are those crazy guys?
Oh no. And I'm beheaded now. Oh no. Okay, hold on. I'll come for you. Ow! I'll come for you. I can't. Okay.
Is your back just numb right now?
Fortunately, we have an EMT.
Survive.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Too bad I'm not a chiropractor.
Go side down with me.
There's too much weight. That's the problem. Is that we sink.
So it's
Well, I
your
just
fault,
started
not
to
the
compact it, though.
not the snow.
Can I move? Sorry.
Here, you've been working out.
Not like that.